Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience today. Also, I'm going to be running my 1994's Dirt Devil Plus soft bag upright vacuum cleaner. I really got to tell you about these old Dirt Devils. I really love using these a lot because I really love the 90s Dirt Devils, and they are kind of noisy, but I'm okay with it. It used to bother me since when I was a kid, I used to be afraid of them when I was little, but when I got older, I'm not afraid of it. Also, this Red Dirt Devil upright vacuum is made in the USA, made by Royal. Because I love older Dirt Devils because they're powerful and they pick up a lot better, as you can tell. And I just remember growing up with this vacuum is powerful. Well, everybody, okay, everybody, I'm gonna turn on the switch, but it is pretty loud, Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Okay. And by the way, everybody, I just really run my vacuum cleaner already. It works fantastically. And also, I really love using my Red Dirt Devil. I really love having a bunch of vacuums in my collection. This is made in 1994. Or in 1995. They made this in 94 and 95 at the same year. And I'll never forget that year, okay? This is made by the mid-90s. And also, you know what, everybody? I'm going to be making another vacuum cleaner video. Make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for the next video. I'll see you in the next video today. Bye.